What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we are going to have a quick review of Havit M9005W smartwatch. So we are going to have a look on its design, features, performance, battery life, all of its pros and cons, and we will also perform a quick unboxing. So here we go. Inside the retail box, you will find the Havit M9005W smartwatch, a user manual, the charging cable, and the product warranty card. So talking about the design and build quality, Havit M9005W comes with a stainless steel dial. The rest of the body is made of plastic and we got the silicone strap. The matte finished plastic body also looks good and it comes with 3 physical buttons on the right hand side. There is no microphone or speaker provided. It would be nice if the paint job on the physical buttons was matte instead of glossy, because then it would look much better and in symmetry with the rest of the body. The silicone strap is also nice. It's soft, comfortable to wear, but it attracts dust very easily. But the good part is that since Havit M9005W comes with 5 ATM water resistance, you can wash the strap without worrying about any damage to Havit M9005W. At the bottom we got the set of sensors and the connection points for the charger, but the good point is that it also comes with wireless charging. So this is one of the most highlighted feature of Havit M9005W, is that even though it is a pretty cheap smartwatch that costs just $75, it comes with 5 ATM waterproofing and also wireless charging. Talking about the screen, we got a 1.3-inch IPS display with 240 x 240 pixels resolution. So it is not the sharpest or brightest, but it is not bad as well. The touch screen sensitivity is nice, it's pretty smooth and responsive, and the bezels we got around the screen are usually hidden, especially if you use a watch face with black background. We got a bunch of watch faces on M9005W. Few of them are quite basic and few of them are really nice, as they change throughout the day depending on the time or your physical activity, like how much active you were throughout the day based on your pedometer data. The only drawback is that you cannot install new watch faces. The user interface is pretty basic. If you swipe down, you will get the notifications from your smartphone. You can read the content of the notification, but obviously you can't reply to any of them. If you swipe right, then you will get pedometer data telling you how many steps you took, how much distance you covered, and how much calories you burned. On the next screen, you will get information regarding your heartbeat, weather data, and sleep information. If you tap on any of these, then you will get more information. And if you swipe left, then you will find the workout, breathing exercise, setting, and the clock with a stopwatch and timer. If you swipe up from the bottom, then you will get the option to turn on the eco mode that will increase the battery performance by reducing the brightness level and doing some other optimization. Then the next one is DND that you can use to stop getting notification. After that, you got the music player that allows you to control the music playback being played on your smartphone. And the last one is the Find My Phone option, using which you can locate your phone by just tapping on it, as then your smartphone will start ringing and vibrating to give you an idea where exactly it is. Talking about the physical buttons, the first one is used to switch on or off the device or turn on or off the screen. The middle one is used to launch the clock application, and the bottom one is to launch the workouts. When it comes to workout, we got walking, running, hiking, badminton, table tennis, basketball, football, some basic sports mode and physical activities that you can track using the Havit M9005W. Now talking about the performance of sensors, we got heart rate monitoring, pedometer, and also the sleep tracking. The heart rate sensor works quite nice and provides pretty accurate data. When it comes to pedometer, most of the time it is accurate as well, but sometimes it goes just crazy and it will start counting as high as twice of your real step counts. The sleep monitoring is also quite nice, but sometimes it also increases the duration of the sleep than you have actually slept. It comes with a generic CT-Fit application that you can use to get more detailed information related to your physical activities, heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, etc. It provides detailed and in-depth information regarding your exercises depending on the day, week, month, even up to an year, and for the particular sports that you have tracked using the M9005W. It also provides detailed information regarding your sleep and gives you information regarding the duration of the deep sleep, light sleep, and how much time you were awake during your sleeping cycle. Under the heart rate, it provides information regarding the highest heart rate and the average heart rate, and you can even do the manual measurement right from the CT-Fit app using the M9005W. It also comes with the remote shutter feature, but the drawback is that it uses its own camera application for this purpose. So if you got a high-end smartphone with great camera capability and features, then you won't be able to use them. And under the settings, you can do some basic setting regarding your profile, selecting the age, height, weight, etc. You can even select the time period under which you would like to get the alerts for call and messages. You can switch on and off the measurement of the resting heart rate and during what part of day you would like to use the raise to wake feature. And then you can use the sports setting to set up all your goals for calories burned, distance, steps, and whether you would like to get the alert for high heart rate and low heart rate. So these are few of the very useful feature, but to use and set up all of these, you will have to use the CT-Fit application. So this is a must for sure. Now talking about the battery life, this is the most impressive thing about Havit M9005W. It comes with 300 mAh battery and it easily survives nearly 2 weeks on heavy usage. And as I have already mentioned, it comes with wireless charging capability, so you can charge it easily using your high-end smartphone with reverse wireless technology. So overall, Havit M9005W is a very nice budget smartwatch that is especially good in my opinion for students, kids. The build quality is nice, the battery life is very impressive. It comes with advanced features like IP68, 5 ATM waterproofing, wireless charging capability, some very unique and creative watch faces, some nice health related features like notification for high heart rate alert, low heart rate alert, raise to wake feature, sleep tracking, etc. The only thing that I did not like is the performance of the sensors, pedometer in particular, as the data is not correct most of the time and 10-15% margin is always there. But if you can bear with that, then rest of the features are quite nice and you won't find them on other smartwatches available in this price range. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.